Look, honey. The Cloud Petal Dress Library awaits.
Is this real, Mama?
More real than you can imagine, sweetheart.
They're so sparkly.
Each one has a story, honey.
It feels like a cloud.
They are made of condensed starlight and dreams, my child.
Can we try one on, Mama?
Perhaps later, sweetheart. Let's explore first.
Catch me if you can.
Slow down, honey. Don't want to disturb the magic. These are the song dresses, my child. They sing forgotten lullabies.
Can they sing for me, Mama? It's so pretty.
A special tune just for you, honey.
What kind of dress is that, Mama?
That, sweetheart, is a Dreamweaver dress full of untold adventures.
Oh, can I really try it on, Mama?
Of course, my child. Let's see how it fits. You look so radiant, honey. It tickles.
I feel like a real princess, Mama.
You absolutely do, sweetheart.
Look, Mama, tiny crowns.
Oh, what lovely treasures, honey.
Can I wear this, Mama?
It would suit you perfectly, my child.
I'm a queen.
Indeed you are, honey, the queen of our hearts.
What kind of dresses are these, Mama?
These are the story dresses, sweetheart. They hold tales from long ago. Listen closely, my child. The dress tells a wonderful story.
I love stories, Mama.
Isn't this library truly magical, honey?
The most magical, Mama.
Every dress holds a memory, a dream, a hope, my child.
I want to remember this day forever, Mama.
We will, honey, and we'll come back often to make new ones.
Really, Mama? Goodbye, beautiful dresses.
Until next time, my child. Wasn't that an incredible adventure, honey?
The best ever, Mama.
And you even found a special keepsake, my child.
My starlight crown, Mama.
Time for bed, little star. Sweet dreams, honey.
Night, Mama.
Welcome to the Heartshine Ribbon Workshop, my child. Look at all these beautiful colors, Mama. Each ribbon holds a special story, honey.
Can we make our own stories, Mama?
Of course, my child. We will create magic together.
This one is so shiny, Mama.
Choose what speaks to your heart, honey.
This is going to be so much fun, Mama.
Careful now, my child. Practice makes perfect.
Almost got it, Mama.
See, honey, it's all about the loop and pull.
This is trickier than it looks, Mama. I did it, Mama. I made a bow.
That's wonderful, my child. Now let's add some sparkle.
gem will make it shine, Mama.
Our ribbons are becoming truly special, honey.
They're all so beautiful, Mama.
Every ribbon we make carries a piece of our heart, my child.
So they're heart-shine ribbons, Mama.
Let's share our heart shine with others, honey.
Thank you for teaching me, Mama.
It was my pleasure, my child, always.
What heart shine will we make next time, Mama?
Many more, sweetheart. Many more. Don't miss our next adventure, my child. Look, sweetheart, the Rainbow Pearl Shoe Meadow awaits.
Let's go, Mom. I see a shiny shoe.
Careful, honey. Don't want to trip on a pearl.
Wow, Mama, it's so beautiful. Wow.
It truly is, my child. A treasure of the meadow.
Will we find more, Mom?
Of course, sweetie. There are wonders everywhere. I'm sure we will, sweetheart. The meadow holds many secrets.
Look, Mama, a fairy butterfly.
Let's follow the light, honey. It might lead us to something special.
So many shoes, Mom. Which one should we pick?
Perhaps this one, my child. It shines so brightly.
It feels so magical, Mama.
A perfect treasure for a special day, honey. Whoa there, sweetheart. Let's keep it safe.
Can we find one for you too, Mom?
Perhaps, my child, if we find one that calls to me. Oh, look, honey, what a delightful find.
Those are perfect for you, Mom. Try them on.
They feel like walking on clouds, sweetheart. These will be wonderful for dancing.
You look so pretty, Mama. Like a princess.
Thank you, my child, for such a magical adventure.
It was the best day ever, Mom.
I love you, sweetheart, more than all the pearls in the meadow. Thank you for joining our adventure, my child.
What's inside the Shimmer Petal Sparkle Closet, Mama?
It's a place of magic, honey, but we must be patient.
Can we open it now, Mom?
Soon, my child, soon. The Shimmer Petal Sparkle Closet holds precious memories, honey.
Are there sparkle dresses inside for me, Mama?
Of course, my love. This key holds the secret, sweetheart. It's time to unlock a little magic, my child.
Oh, Mama, you have the key!
Let's see what wonders await us, honey. Almost there, my child.
It's so beautiful, Mama.
Welcome to our special place, honey.
Look at all the shiny things, Mom. Can I try this one, Mama?
Of course, my child. Choose any you like.
This feels like magic, Mom. I'm a sparkle princess, Mama.
You certainly are, sweetheart.
Do these go with my dress, Mom?
They're perfect, my child.
Yeah.
You look absolutely radiant, honey.
This is the best day ever, Mama.
Every moment with you is magical, my child.
Can we explore more tomorrow, Mom?
Absolutely, honey. There's always more magic to discover.
Thank you for the sparkle, Mama.
The sparkle is always within you, my child. Our secret sparkle closet, Mom. This was a truly special day, honey.
I'll dream of shimmer petals tonight, Mama.
Join us for more magic, my child.